What's the meaning of CPE? CPE. CPE.
CPE. CPE. CPE stands for Customer Premises Equipment. It refers to any telecommunication equipment that is installed at a customer's premises. This can include things like modems, routers, and switches that are used to connect to the internet or other communication networks. CPE can be provided by a telecommunications company or purchased and owned by the customer themselves. In general, CPE is designed to facilitate communication between the customer and the service provider, ensuring that data is transmitted efficiently and securely.